Good morning.
Hey, what's happening this morning, my man?
Just another day, man. I'm actually excited today. I know the market's down a little bit, but I've been waiting for this to get back in. So I think I'm excited, but my wife's not excited for this red shirt. She wakes up, she says, you need to put that red shirt away. So
yeah, you know what? We need to get some green shirts going again, man. That's for sure. No doubt. But hey, you know what? I just want to give a quick shout out to those that are live over on our YouTube channel. Hang in there, Facebook. We're coming live here any second. So Todd, if you want to stall for a minute talking about something going on, and I'll have this up and running here in just a second. It seems like we're having a little connection issue on the Facebook side, but we got YouTube going.
Yeah, it looks like there's a few people in the waiting room as well. So let's go ahead and get them in there. Yeah, we're excited today for the show. Me and Jeremy got to talk to Todd Crossland yesterday. We'll have a little update on what's coming to CoinZoom, the new coin that's coming out in the future. Just a lot of exciting things coming on with CoinZoom. Just let me know, Jeremy, when we're live over there. If anybody has any questions or anything that you'd like us to go over today, just put in the chat, because we like to do some type of demo. I think if we have time, I'm going to buy some more Polymatic so I can show you guys how to buy some coins on the platform as well.
I think that would be a killer demo. That would be awesome. It looks like we're just resetting it now. So maybe another 30 seconds, we'll be good to go.
All right. Yeah, the market's down a little bit, and great time to buy. Who out there maybe put in the chat who's already got Polymatic, who's receiving free coins every day, because I was just doing some numbers. It's almost like you buy the 200, and if you get the rewards every single day, it's almost like 0.5% they're giving you. So if that's for a whole entire month, man, that's a lot of free tokens. So we'll make sure we go over that. I know there's a bunch of new people today on the call that I saw at the gym. So I'm glad you guys are on the call. So let's go ahead and share my screen.
Yeah, let's go ahead and dive in. Facebook's just popping live now. So great to be on with everybody. We'll be live here in just a moment. And it looks like YouTube is good to go, Todd. So we're good.
All right, Jeremy, how you doing?
Hey man, I'm good. We're up here in Wilsonville, Oregon today. So mobile for sure, but checking on baby Jack and Mama Kinley and Tad up here. We just had our first grandchild. Man, life couldn't be any better. It's amazing. What an experience.
I can see out the front of your van. So it's nothing like that, doing these calls on the road. That's the beauty of doing this. So
that's right. Beautiful thing for sure. Loving the crypto lifestyle, man. Thank you for introducing it to me. And guys, as we start this call out, I want to give a little shout out to Mr. Todd Humphreys and just let you guys know a little bit about your host here today. You know, I'm going to chime in and try to simplify things when he talks a little more advanced than I do. But here's where Todd comes from. He's my mentor in crypto. I'm so grateful that I followed his example. About a year ago, I decided we were in a conference room in Utah and sitting there talking, and he's telling me about this coin that's going to be the hottest thing out. And all I'd heard of is Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Zoom token. Those are the only ones that I really knew about. And he's trying to sell me on why to buy Cardano at 17 cents, this ADA token. And I'm like, Todd, I don't even know what you're talking about. I'm not really sure. And he's like, just trust me on this one, Jeremy. Trust me, you got to buy this token. So I got in on that one. I'm so grateful. I know Todd was actually in on that in the bull run of 2017. Guy made millions, lost millions, made it back again, is buying real estate with crypto nowadays and all kinds of cool stuff as an investor. He is not a licensed professional, nor am I. So guys, this is for entertainment purposes only. We are not here to give you financial advice. Only risk what you feel you can risk in the marketplace. But do this. Listen to what this information is, especially on this CoinZoom platform. It is absolutely incredible. Todd has been there. He's had it, he's lost it, he's got it back, and he's not going to let you make that same mistake. And that's what I love about listening to the advice and the information and the details and the ideas. I would say it's more ideas than advice. But again, I haven't been steered wrong in any way, shape, or form. And I know the people that have been joining our community have been loving the content. So Todd, thank you so much for all that you do and all of the work that goes into every one of these. I see, again, you got about 50 tabs across the top. I know you're researching the heck out of this stuff, and I am grateful for you, my man. Thank you so, so much.
Hey, I'm grateful for having you as a co-host as well, because you know, it's one thing to talk about the crypto market and just talk out there in the air, but it's nice to have Jeremy, his expertise as well on the call, because he does simplify it, you know, maybe better so you guys can understand what I'm saying, because some of the terms that I use, I think it's common, but sometimes it's not so common, some of these words or verbiage that it's in the crypto space. So yeah, I'm very thankful for Jeremy for jumping on. And man, this is just getting better. We were running some great ideas with Todd Crossan and everything. Man, we cannot wait to show you and tell you what's going to be coming here. We'll have a lot of that finalized next week. So really excited about that. But
yeah, all we can say, we'll hint to it.
Yeah.
The Academy is coming. The Academy is coming. And no, it's not the Academy Awards. We're talking about teaching you crypto. And I am so pumped for this, Todd. We've got some of the teaser videos. Maybe at the end, we'll play a little one of the teaser videos for the Academy, just so people can see what's going on. This is so exciting. We are pumped to bring this content to you guys. And this is just the beginning. Hold on to your hats.
Yes, it's it's going to be incredible. Maybe we can share a little bit at the end what's going to be in there, because it's going to be a lot about CoinZoom, but it's going to be a lot about everything that you'd ever imagine in the crypto space. You know, what's a Bitcoin wallet? What's the blockchain? What's Bitcoin? Everything about the crypto space, NFTs, non-fungible tokens, you know, the DeFi space. And yeah, it's going to be incredible for all of you guys to jump on and learn, and we'll have interactions, and it's going to be fully compliant and supported by the CoinZoom as well. So that's what's really exciting, because at the end of the day, we're trying to help all you guys, you know, not be so afraid of crypto. You know, we want you to experience crypto the proper way, buy at the right time. So that's what we want to teach in the Academy. But there is so much to talk about with the Academy.
And Todd, I think more importantly, even for a lot of the people that are on this line, it's how to access it. Like I had no idea how to buy a Cardano, right? When it wasn't on CoinZoom. If it's not on CoinZoom, what do you do? Because that's all I knew. And so those kinds of things, you guys are going to hear about it. I love how Todd broke down a couple of weeks ago. And by the way, next week, you guys aren't going to want to miss it. We got some really special things coming up. But next show, Thursday, Wake Up and Win with CoinZoom, Todd Crossan, owner of CoinZoom, will be out here for an AMA. Super pumped about that. But we're going to give you some incentives too. So stay tuned towards the end of the show. We've got some announcements that are going to be coming out. But Todd, I love how you break down so simply how people can move tokens from one exchange to the CoinZoom exchange, how they maximize those benefits, how, you know, in the coming weeks ahead, I know I'm going to be following your guidance, and we've talked a lot about it, is Cardano is going to be launching a lot of exciting stuff, and we want to capitalize on some of that. And it may not be super handy right here on CoinZoom. So again, it's how do you get access? How do you do these things? What does it mean? And then being able to bring it all together on CoinZoom when the time is right, and be able to earn on it and all those things. So I'm so stoked, man. This has been such a journey. In the 1 year that I've been involved in this, you know, having been able to build up a portfolio of over $1 million of crypto, man, I owe a lot of that to you, dollar costing me in, getting Cardano, doing these things. So guys, if that is a goal of yours, is to be financially independent, have the time freedom to do what you want, travel around and do these kinds of things, you know, you're in the right spot on today's show. So super excited, Todd, for the content you're going to present today, man. Pumped.
All right, well, let's get started. Like we always do, we like to pull up the coin market cap and see what's going on. I haven't looked at it for a little bit. I've been up a couple hours just doing some studying, but haven't really done a little bit. Last time I looked at the market cap was just barely over 2 trillion. Let me hit refresh. Oh, it's dropped a little bit more. You guys can see up here at the top, market cap is like 1.987 trillion. We're down about almost 4% for the day. So this is the market. And I like I talked about on Trading Tuesday, it's all right. It needs to drop a little bit. We were at 28,000 just, a couple of weeks ago, and we went all the way up to 50,000. You know, a lot of the coins had experienced some massive growth, and for the market to continue growing, we need to have, you know, it needs to retrace a little bit, it needs to calm down. I think this is what it is. I think I talked about on my show, we need to kind of stay above the 46.5 to $47,000 Bitcoin. That's kind of about where we are. Some great buying opportunities. Cardano, I didn't think we'd ever see Cardano below it, you know, 275, and here we are today. Cardano 262. So great buying opportunity for Cardano. And the coin we're going to buy today is a great buying opportunity. Is Polymatic. That's the new coin that got launched on CoinZoom. We'll talk about that in a minute. That is a great buying opportunity as well, because look at Polymatic, $1.43. Its all-time high is 268. You guys can see that right over here, $2.68. I believe that Polymatic is going to break its all-time high and continue going up. So it's a good time to buy, and as well as get some free tokens. So right now it's a great time to get a few more coins. This might be the last time we can pick up some coins, because we're just starting the last half of the bull run. So
hey Todd, let me break this down for people real quick. If you'll scroll up to the top of this, I just want to share, because this was new for me as well. Guys, what you're seeing on the screen right now is something you're going to want to bookmark on your browser. It's called CoinMarketCap, and CoinMarketCap.com is the website. What this does is it just breaks down. It's kind of like the stock market, right? It breaks down the highest cap, or the highest value companies, or the highest value tokens in this case, in the crypto space, led by number one Bitcoin that you see there on your screen. Gives you all the metrics going across, tells you everything you need to do at a glance. You can see what's trending, the biggest gainers, the recent ads, and then you have thousands of tokens here, but you're seeing the top 10 on your screen right here. And Todd likes to look at these because these are the tokens that are on CoinZoom. We're adding more and more of these top 10, top 100, top 50 tokens. So at a glance, you can see where the all-time high was. You can see it. He's customized his view somewhat in here, but you can come in and build your own portfolios. As you're adding tokens to the CoinZoom platform, you can go in and add your own watch lists and your own portfolios on this. So get to know this site, CoinMarketCap. And you'd probably say, well, why doesn't CoinZoom have something like this? CoinZoom will show you what is in your wallet, what's in your portfolio, and what is on that platform. This gives you more of the market view in its entirety. So great bookmark right here. Back to you, Todd. Sorry, had to break that one down, man.
No, it's like great information, because if I scroll up a little bit higher, I don't really show that a lot, but up here in the corner, it says there's 11,416 coins. So if your coin isn't on CoinMarketCap, it's probably really not a coin. It hasn't launched. It's not on the exchange. So this actually tells you, if I was to buy Cardano, I could click on Cardano and it would show me every exchange that around the entire world that I could purchase Cardano. So there is lots of information on here. There's the converters. We use this a lot. This is kind of like an encyclopedia, the information site that you need if you're in the crypto space. So yes, Jeremy is exactly right. You can customize it. I've customized it. So if I went here to like my watch list, it pulls up, you know, the coins that I'm watching, you know, and I put them all in. You guys can see they're colored over here orange. So these are the ones that I'm watching. These are like some of the top 10 coins that I'm watching right now. I haven't updated it for a while, but it's great information. You can do as many watch lists. You can do portfolio. You can do different coins. So I can come up here, CoinZoom Coins. I can, the new CoinZoom Coins that were going to be added to the platform over time. You know that Cardano's already been added, but I kind of customize this to some of the coins that.
Hey, wait, there's Aave. Some
Yep.
breaking news coming on that one. Be watching your email inbox from CoinZoom on the Aave coming soon.
Yeah, Aave is then the next coin that we'll be launching. Hopefully, probably the first of next week. So Aave is the next one. But yeah, I just kind of keep a list to keep an eye on the new coins that are coming to the CoinZoom platform, because they're not on there, to see the pricing, where they rank. But what I like about CoinZoom is when they add a coin, it's not like ranked 1,000. If you guys notice, all these coins are all in the top, you know, 100, 200 coins. They're very, very great, incredible coins. So you can customize this site. So.
Well, and even CoinZoom, I noticed on your first portfolio there, you know, CoinZoom ranks in this overall ranking maybe 5,000. It's not even going to be in the top 10, top 100, but to keep a CoinZoom watch list as well. You had that in one of those first ones that you were looking at. I think your first portfolio that you had there, or first watch list. Oh, there you go, right at the bottom. Guys, it's a nickel, right? I mean, it's moving up. It was 4 cents, 4.5 cents when we were on the show last week. So you're starting to see some movement there, but you probably wouldn't see that if you're just on CoinMarketCap unless you knew to look for it and put it in the search bar. But yeah, interesting stuff.
Yeah, 5,434. Remember, like we talked about, there's these coins that are like nobody knows about that we're looking for, that are like low cap coins. So, and when we mean low cap coins, that means their evaluation is low. So I think the valuation on CoinZoom is around 19 million. So, and you guys can see as you get higher, the market cap on some of the coins is fairly high. But another website that Todd Crossland told me to use that they're actually integrated to the CoinZoom platform. So they pull data every single day from the CoinZoom platform, and it is CoinGecko. So just so you guys know, use CoinGecko. I always have it pulled up because it's got some great information. It kind of tells you how many coins are out there in circulation. Right here, market cap, we're about 19 million market cap. It's telling us how many Zoom coins are out there in circulation. You guys can see 386,601 coins are out there in circulation. The
million.
Million, yeah, a million, and only 600 million will ever be in circulation. So it's just a great glance at the CoinZoom platform. You guys can scroll down farther. It says the charts. It gives you lots of information on the site that CoinMarketCap doesn't give on the CoinZoom. So I would recommend bookmarking this as well if you want to keep up to date on the CoinZoom. It also breaks down. If I clicked on markets, we could pull this up, and it pulls up the volume on the coins. This is USD, how much coin is being sold in USD, how much USDT and Bitcoin. So it'll break it down as the coin grows. Those numbers will grow, but it's a very informative information for all you guys. So make sure you bookmark CoinGecko as well. All right, Jeremy, just make sure that as far as questions, we're kind of answering them as we kind of go through.
Yeah, so far so good. I'm looking over on we want to welcome those that are over on our live on YouTube. That is really cool that you guys are there. And I do have a question over here. Sir Jit's asking, I think Jeff's taking care of it over in the answer here. Any idea when XRP will be getting back on CoinZoom?
I hope soon, because XRP is one of the coins that I'm want to purchase. We talked about that on Trading Tuesday. So I hope it comes on soon, but it probably will not be added to any U.S. regulated exchange until they have cleared their lawsuit or what they've been accused of on the security. So I think it's about cleared. It's on a lot of exchanges now overseas, so I might have to go purchase it over there. We can hold it on the CoinZoom platform, but we just aren't able to buy or sell. So I hope soon.
Hey, Mr. Graham, points for you, buddy. Top contributor to the chat this morning. He got that absolutely right. When the SEC XRP management settle their federal investigation. And that is going on, guys. I mean, Ripple is one of the greatest coins for utility for transfers and wire transfers and things like that. Ripple has got an amazing system. They just got into some trouble on how they launched their ICO. So their original initial coin offering wasn't done exactly the way the SEC wanted to see it. So doesn't mean it's some sketchy coin, just means that it's having to be made an example of in the US right now.
All right, we'll just do a little bit update on Polymatic. Got some new people on here. I was talking to them about that yesterday. You that are part of the exchange, there are a lot of benefits of being part of the CoinZoom platform. About every month, they launch a new coin and they let us have the opportunity of getting some free coins. We love stuff that's free. So, we had the MFT token, then we went to the Doge coin, and now we're to Poly. So this will be the third time that they've done a free promotion. So if you purchase Polymatic, you have to purchase it on the exchange. A lot of people say, can't I move it over from Coinbase to here and I can get credit? No, that won't work. You need to purchase your Polymatic on the CoinZoom platform. and we can just scroll down here to the details. You need to purchase 200 Polymatic to participate in the promotion. Once you purchase 200 Polymatic, you're gonna get Polymatic every single day, and they're gonna have a big payout at the end of the month. So I was just telling you guys, I bought 200 of the Polymatic, and I receive in between 1.5 and 1 every single day. So that's about 0.5% of Polymatic every single day that I'm getting. So over 30 days, I could receive, 30, 40 free coins of Polymatic, which is, geez, that's incredible for something that's free and for a coin that I already want to purchase anyway. So very exciting. And here are the details. It started August 19th. It's going to go till August or September 17th. It's not too late. Like, I'm going to buy some today so you guys can see. But here's the details. They pay out Monday through Friday.
Anytime you can get free tokens, guys. Every time one of these promotion comes up, we definitely highly recommend this because they're giving away free stuff. This is like free. You just go in and buy what you were going to buy anyway, put it in your portfolio, and you get free. So again, you're talking about a $200 to $300 purchase of a 200 Polymatic, and you get free tokens. That's kind of a no-brainer.
Yeah. I'd be curious to see how many of you on the call we have. There's lots of people on today. Maybe put in the chats who has bought Polymatic. I'd be curious to see on there if you purchase some Polymatic. Polymatic is an incredible coin. It's a solution to help Ethereum. Yeah, it does many things on the platform. I'm actually going to buy quite a few of them. So it's one of the coins that I am going to purchase quite a few. So.
Hey, Gary got it. Roy got it. Who else got it? Drop Polly down in the chat, guys. They're on the Zoom here. There's Stephen Hall. Of course he got it, man. He's the master. Selma got it. She's in as well. Now that's exciting.
So that's make sure. This is something to always talk about. Hey, at the gym I was talking last night, I said, gosh, even the CoinZoom exchange, think about free coins every month. And the guys we're all sitting in the sun and they're like, I want to get some of those free coins. So some of them are on the call today. So glad you guys jumped on. Sorry, I talked so much in the sauna about crypto, but everybody's in there like, I want an account. But yes, I'm so passionate about the CoinZoom platform and free coins that there's not many exchanges that give free coins every month. So right now, let's take advantage of Poly.
Hey, wait a minute. This sauna is infamous. I got to tell you guys, I got to go find this sauna at the gym in Utah because I hear amazing fortunes are made inside the sauna at this particular gym. So those of you that are in the sauna club, welcome. You guys, man, you are listening to the right man, as you know.
I don't think it's the sauna. It's just because I go there so much that it's almost like everybody kind of waits to get some information about crypto because they ask me questions once I get in there. And now it's starting to happen like at cryo. I do cryo, which is it's like a sauna, but you go in there for 3 minutes and it cools your body down to 200 degrees below zero. And Jeff Graham's on here. He does it as well with me. And it's an incredible thing, but everybody at that place does the cryo and they're all on the CoinZoom platform. Some of you are on here today. So yeah.
That's funny. Jeff says, I can attest to the sauna. Both Todd and I were clothed. Hey, look, guys, I don't want to hear any of that stuff. All I know is this sauna is magical. And what I've heard is fortunes are made if you just listen to I know Jeff and Todd connected there, and that's how I got connected in. So anyway, I'm an indirect sauna fan, but excited for today's show. Yeah. Polly, let's get Polly.
All right. Also, we got to make sure we go over this. These are incredible numbers as far as the CoinZoom platform launched their earn feature. And that means you can earn interest on the coins on the platform. Incredible feature. Polkadot, Tether, and Dogecoin came out with a lower percentage when it first launched. Polkadot is up over 10% now. If you put your Polkadot in the earn feature, Tether went from 7.5 to 8, and Doge went from, I think, 5 to 7. But basically, I don't think there's a platform out there or an exchange that pays any higher than 5 for Doge. So we got 7%, 8 on Tether, and 10 on Polkadot. And this is not even the VIP bonus. So if you're a black card holder, which is there's levels on the CoinZoom platform depending on how many coins you have the CoinZoom that's native to the CoinZoom platform. If you're a black card holder and you hold 100,000, you get a 20% on top of this. So that would put Polkadot at 12%, Tether at like 10. These are incredible percentages. So yeah, make sure you guys are a VIP member. You don't have to be a black card. You can be a platinum or a gold and you'll still get an additional percentage. But these are things we're going to teach you guys, because this is ways you can make money by just doing what you do every single day. You're just basically putting your coins away, earn interest every day. So incredible feature, incredible upgrade that Todd has made with Polkadot, Tether, and Dogecoin.
And let me just emphasize here as well, for those that are new, these are just 3 of the tokens that are on the earn rates. These are just the ones they happen to announce new rates for. You know, you can get 7.5% on USD on this platform right now under the earn feature. Anyone that is hesitant about crypto but has a savings account at another bank, guys, transfer some money over here, put it into the USD earn feature. You'll make 7.5% on your money. I don't know of anywhere. That's 100 times more than my bank is paying for interest right now. I'm just saying these are all the tokens you're seeing on screen here of everything you can earn interest on. And when he hits USD down here at the bottom, I've never seen anything like this. Anyone with money in savings should be seriously considering getting onto the CoinZoom platform and clicking that USD, US dollar, for 7.5%. You don't even have to be in crypto and you're going to earn that. Plus you're going to get 20% bonus in Zoom token if you're an account holder with a black level. So unreal, Todd, unreal.
It is. And just to follow up what Jeremy just talked about, most exchanges only pick 4 or 5 coins and say, that's what we're going to, those are the only coins we have for our earn feature. If you guys notice, almost every single coin on the CoinZoom platform, you can earn interest on, which is incredible. The only one that we don't have yet is the CoinZoom coin. But as you guys know from our previous shows, it will be added to the earn feature later in the year. So then that will be every single coin that's on the platform you can earn interest on. So, you know, other incredible information about the CoinZoom platform.
And for those of you that aren't traders, this is a big deal, because many of you just want to buy and hold. And that's how I am. I don't do a lot of trading. I try to keep up with all of that, but I have not had, you know, a lot of trading experience. And so for me, I look at this and I say, I'm just a holder. I buy according to the guidance given by Todd on dollar cost average in. We're going to dollar cost average out at a certain point as well. But just by holding your coins and your money on the platform, you're earning without trading. You just hold it and hit the earn feature. Super simple.
Yeah. And speaking of what Jeremy just said, here's an article I always keep up on my screen. 5 easy ways crypto investors can make money without ever needing to trade. And, you know, a couple of those features are on here. That's the earn feature. And, but the other one's gaming, but, you know, staking, we always talk about staking. And then the lend feature, that's the lend that we have that goes into the interest. So basically we have 2 of the 5 that they recommend already that you don't need to trade to make money. So this is an incredible article that breaks everything down, just exactly what Jeremy said. If you don't want to trade, we have ways that you can make money on the CoinZoom platform without trading. So yeah, this is an article, July 31st. It's part of the community. You guys can go there and read through this article. But
so Todd, give them that website. For those that are new, you're a member. If you're here and you're watching and you've joined us up in the network, Todd has an amazing Facebook group and a Telegram group that a lot of the tips and articles and things are a part of. Yeah,
on Telegram, we use Telegram a lot. It's a Wealth Infinity Club trading, and it's on Telegram. That is, and then we have the Wealth Infinity Club Facebook group. So you guys can just search those in Facebook and just ask to be a member on the Facebook, because it's a private group. And then the other one that's pretty much open to anyone is the Wealth Infinity Club trading, and that's on Telegram. We have a couple other platforms. So once you're part of the VIP members, then you can be added even to some more exclusive groups that we really talk about some more advanced features. So, but yeah, that's kind of where we post a lot of our information. We will be having new websites and new social media platforms built for the academy. So you guys can just go to the academy once they're the platforms are all built out. So hopefully,
but go ahead and get for those of you that are new. Telegram is an app that you're going to want to put on your phone and your computer. Telegram. Don't need to do it here today on the show, but just know CoinZoom has a community there. We're going to have a community there. We've already got certain channels that are there. So Telegram, it looks like a little paper airplane icon on your phone. Grab that app, install it on your phone, and get ready, and we'll give you more guidance on that as we go.
Yep. And then we talked about the new coin. This is the new coin that Todd told us that they're going to be launching. The next coin, it's Aave. So this is the Aave coin. You guys can go to the website. Aave is a great coin as well. I'm probably not going to purchase a whole lot of it because it's the CoinZoom and some of the other platforms that are out there kind of have a lot of the same features and even better features. So, but there's a lot of people that love the Aave platform. You guys can see here they have earned features and some stuff here, but look at the money that they got going through their platform. So incredible platform, very, very popular coin out there. And if you know Todd Crossland, he's adding coins that are very popular that people want. We also hear that Tron might be coming here fairly soon. So Tron will be a great coin for the platform. Any questions, Jeremy, that we're seeing down there?
I haven't seen it. Mr. Graham adds that he also owns Poly. I see Dream Team's got Polymatic as well. Maurice, BB's got it as well. Debbie Ann's got it. So anyway, the chats are coming in, guys. If you have a question as Todd's going through the information here today, feel free to drop it in the chat.
Yeah, because we want to probably just go over to CoinZoom now and maybe purchase some Poly, unless you guys have some type of live demo that you would like me to do. I don't think there was a whole lot of news this morning that I was going to go over. Most of it's stuff that we've already talked about. And
as you're looking there, Todd, I'll just give a quick shout out for what we're looking for in the next week. And again, we'll mention this to the end of the call as well, and stay tuned for the word of the day at the end of the call. But we want to hear your testimonials, and we're going to reward it. Next week on the show, we will have Todd Crossland, the owner of CoinZoom. He'll be out for an AMA, which is Ask Me Anything. And you'll be able to come out, ask Todd Crossland, the owner of CoinZoom, any question that you may have about the platform, about the future, about where it is. He'll discuss a bit of the roadmap of the company, where they're headed. There is some massive onboarding, exciting things going on over at CoinZoom right now. And there is going to be a lot more seats taken up on that platform. And that means a lot more people are going to be buying the Zoom token as a utility. So again, if you have questions about any of those things, you can talk to Todd Crossland live next week right here on the show. Wake Up and Win with CoinZoom. He will be our AMA guest. And if you'd like, we actually have the ability of being able to go into the Facebook group or live on this YouTube channel that we're broadcasting on right now. If you drop your comment or question there, we'll collect those up and make that part of the AMA, or you can come live and drop your chat in the text below. Here's what we need from you. We need your experience. Have you been using your CoinZoom card? If you are, show us that you do it. Take a quick video. Tell us your experience. We want your story of maybe you pulling up to a gas pump, starting your video quick, show your CoinZoom card. Don't show the numbers on the back, but just show us your CoinZoom card that you're tapping to pay, or that you're sticking it in the machine, and that you're buying gas with crypto. That kind of story is going to blow people's minds. As simple as it seems to all of us, when people see that you can pay and buy things with crypto and you have this cool card, it gets their attention. And that's exactly what we want. We're looking for more stories, and we're going to be entering everyone that submits a story in to win. So more details coming, but get your videos ready, get your testimonials ready, your chance to win Zoom tokens, and you'll be announced in front of Todd Crossland because he's looking for content for his social media channels as well.
I can't wait to see some of those videos because they're always exciting to see like testimonies and people using the platform, because it is that simple and that easy to spend your crypto with a card. So I'm really excited to see some of the testimonies and some videos coming through. I was just going through this stuff last night after I came home from the gym, and a couple of the guys at the gym were telling me that they took their stimulus check and they put it into crypto. And the article, it's so weird how the universe works. And here the article pops up. It says 11% of the young Americans have invested their stimulus check into crypto. And that's what these young guys were doing. They were, in their, 19 to probably 23 years of age. And here they are, putting their stimulus check into crypto, and they don't even know what coins to buy. So I thought it was interesting that, that 11% of all young Americans have put their stimulus check in crypto. So just an article popped up, and then another one popped up this morning about millionaires in Cardano. The number of Cardano millionaires has risen by 173% as it hits all-time high. So all of you,
hey, you're one of
I'm one of them. But yeah, look at the numbers. There was basically 3,600 millionaires on July 20th. Now there's almost 10,000 millionaires in Cardano. And when they say a millionaire, that's somebody that holds at least $1 million in Cardano. So that's roughly about 350,000 Cardano that you'd hold to be a millionaire. Maybe 400, somewhere right around there. But that's what. But look at the wallets and how many new millionaires have been created just from Cardano. So I know a lot of you have purchased the coins and have seen some great gains. And it's just the beginning, because I just want to follow up on another article. This is another guy that I follow a lot, Benjamin Cowan on Facebook. He's talking about where Bitcoin is now, and if Bitcoin doubles, where's Cardano going to be? And it's an incredible article because it talks about where he thinks that Cardano is going to be, and he's thinking a 620% gain on Cardano. But if we just go down through the article, he talks quite a bit about the Cardano platform, and he's saying that basically if Bitcoin, let's just scroll down here, if Bitcoin just doubles, we could see a $9 Cardano. If Bitcoin gets to 150,000, like a lot of people are talking about, we could see Cardano $13 to $14 range. And if the bull market continues into January and February, we could see a $15.60 or a $20 Cardano. And this is coming from a very credible guy that I follow, does incredible TA. But look at this. He's a $10 to $20 range is a place where we could see Cardano. Obviously, right today it's about 250, so that's about a 4x. I'll be happy with a 4x between now and the end of the bull run. So that's pretty much about what they were talking today. The market's talking also about some futures expiring on Friday with Ethereum. So we just need to keep a close eye on Ethereum. Other than that, let's get back to the CoinZoom platform. But that's it for the news. There's just not a whole lot going on out there.
That's great insight, though. And for those that have not gotten if you've got ADA, drop it in the chat down below. We asked about Poly earlier. Are you holding Cardano? It's known as ADA. Are you a holder of that? Because it's right at the top of the list now on CoinZoom on that trade right there. You can see it, ADA USD. It's so simple to be able to make that purchase right here through CoinZoom and the CoinZoom platform. If you're holding ADA, drop it in the chat down below.
As you guys can see, this is the CoinZoom platform. So we're inside the platform now. We're on the trade feature. So when you log in on the desktop version, it's quite different looking on the mobile. They have the CoinZoom Pro app on the mobile, and then they're coming out with just a CoinZoom basic feature or a CoinZoom basic app. And I think, Jeremy, I can't remember right. Didn't he say that's about a month or two still out?
Yeah, on the roadmap, it was beginning of Q4, I believe, is where end of Q3, beginning of Q4.
So that will be a great app. You won't see all these candles and charts, and you'll just go in and say, I want $100 worth of Poly, push the button, and it'll buy it for you at the best rate available. It's kind of more like the Cash App. That's what Todd said, Cash App or the Venmo app. But yeah, that will be coming. The first
and Todd, there's a good question here that Jeannie is asking on the chat. If one does not have ADA, when should one purchase it?
Okay.
When was yesterday the right day to plant a tree?
Well, while she's there, I'm gonna. It's not too late to buy, but I'm just gonna pull up TA. This is my TA on Cardano. So this is a live chart. Cardano started down at about $1.50 and it's just continued going up. We peaked out at about $1.96. I knew we'd have a retracement, and here's the retracement. I was going to buy some last night because I have some funds available now from selling my house, and I was waiting for it to break out of this triangle, this downturn, and it almost broke out. I almost bought right there, and it broke down to the bottom. So this morning when I woke up, it's below the bottom line here. So right, to me, anything below this blue line at the bottom, we could see it go down a little bit farther, but right now this is, I'm like, I can't wait to get off this call to go buy some, because it's perfect. What I was looking for to purchase some additional Cardano.
Yeah. So guys, don't feel like you missed out if you didn't buy a year ago, or you can't get in now. It's like any time is the right time to buy. It's just there's better times than others. And this TA that Todd's mentioning is technical analysis. It's looking at the market and when to buy in the dip and when not to buy at the peak. And FOMO, you'll hear this term, FOMOing in, fear of missing out. When everybody's talking about it's probably not the moment you buy, because it's at the top. It's when everybody's trying to get in and pushing the market higher. So Todd is giving you some stellar advice right here, Jeannie. Take it for what it's worth right now. He's buying, I would buy. Bottom line.
Because we all know what's happened September 12th. And the coin, so in my opinion, is going to continue going up till September 12th. And September 12th is when Cardano smart contracts go live. Cardano doesn't really have a working platform right now. They can't build dApps and apps, and those are kind of like what Ethereum is. There's so many coins built on the Ethereum platform. Well, you can't do anything on the Cardano platform until September 12th. So you'll see DeFi, NFT tokens, you'll see dApps and apps will be built. And there's hundreds and hundreds of top companies waiting for this to go live so they can start building. So this is like a very important time in the Cardano space, September 12th. And I think that we're going to continue seeing steady growth all the way up till September 12th. And then after that, I can see us having a pullback and then continue going up with the bull market. So that's kind of my thoughts on Cardano. No financial advice, but you guys can see my chart. It dropped below this bottom trend line, and it's been hitting this trend line, here. It's just a great time to pick up a little. Don't buy a lot. Remember, we still average cost in. Buy a little bit now, because tomorrow it could be down just a little bit more, and then buy, a little bit more. Always average cost in. So you got a little, Jeannie, you got some really good information there.
And that's great insight to be able to see that. It just happened to be that Todd was looking to make a purchase himself, and that you just got some great insight right there, Jeannie. That's awesome.
So let's go back to the CoinZoom platform, and let's buy a little Poly, because Poly right now is $1.42. Geez, it's like half of all-time high. So I think it's a great time to buy Poly. What do you think?
A reminder, sorry, Todd, a reminder here, guys, follow what Todd's saying on this one as well. 200 tokens will get you into that free pool that we were talking about earlier. You'll get free tokens if you're holding 200 tokens on Poly on CoinZoom. So at minimum, go out and do what Todd's going to do right here. Take some good notes and follow his example to get you 200 Poly.
So yeah, Jeremy, you're exactly right, because there's the way the order books work on Poly.
Sorry, we keep saying Poly. This is got to be confusing, Todd. It says Matic. Can you explain that?
Well, it is Polymatic, but we always say Poly because it's the first part of Poly. I mean, even the abbreviation is different. But yeah, Matic, Poly, they're the same. So sorry to confuse you guys on that. But yeah, if we scroll down here so you guys can see where Matic is right here. Yeah, there's the order books are sometimes confusing for new people. They don't understand how the order books work. But if you guys look all the way over to the right-hand side of my screen, you'll see order books. You'll see red and you'll see green. The green down at the bottom are like orders that I would, like myself, I say, I want to buy Matic at $1.40. I think it's going to drop to $1.40 today. I'm just giving you an example. I can put an order in and I can wait for it to drop to $1.40. So these are the orders down below. These are individuals like all of us that are willing to spend a certain price to buy the coins. You can actually purchase the coins right now, but they're going to be higher. But the ones in the bottom are coins that you just say, you might say, I want to put the coin at $1.20. I'm going to wait for it to drop to $1.20, and your order will go in here. And once it drops to $1.20, it would fill. So this would be what we call a buy limit order. So, and that's how that works. We go buy limit order, and I could come over here and I would say, I want to do 200 of them, and I want to do it at $1.35. So I'm putting my limit price. So that $1.35 is basically what I'm willing to pay for Poly. I'm not willing right now to pay $1.42. I am, but I'm just giving you guys another way to buy cheap coins. I have orders all the time open, because you just never know what's going to happen. The coin could drop 20% while you're sleeping and fill your order, and the time you wake up, it's back up to where it was. So you picked up some great cheap coins just because it was the market dropped a little bit overnight. So back to where we are. Market price is $1.42. I'm going to do 200, but I'm only willing to spend $1.35. If you look down here, it says use Zoom tokens for less fees. Make sure you click that over. If you don't do that, you're going to pay the full fees. I'm a black card holder, so my fees are cut in half immediately when that order goes through. So that's how that works. I'm going to go ahead and hit buy, and I'm going to show you where that goes on the order book. So I'm going to hit buy limit order and hit buy. So there's my order. So now it didn't fill my order because that's not what the coin is selling for right now. So let's close that out. Let's go ahead and scroll down. So where it says $1.35, looks like there's a couple people that are doing $1.35. So I'm one of these orders right here, $1.35, 200 of them. So you guys can see that. So once the coin drops now to $1.35, it will fill my order. So that was what we call a buy limit order. So hopefully no questions on that. So another way that we do the coins is a buy market order. Let me explain this. Your order will automatically fill no matter what. If you look at the market price, it says $1.42.245. That's what my order is going to do. So if I put 200 in here, well, let's just do 25 just to show you how it works. But what it's going to do, it's going to come over here to the order books up here in the red. These are individuals that are selling their coins. So if you wanted to sell your coins would go up in the red. These are orders on the book that are individuals that are willing to sell their coins. And some people are willing to sell them right now at $1.42, what we're talking about. And they're willing to sell them all the way up to $2.25. You guys can do that. You can put an order in. I can do the exact same thing. If I want to do a sell limit order, I can actually do the exact same thing. Put my a token up here for it to sell, and hopefully somebody would buy it. But today we are just buying. So buy market order. If I hit, I'm going to make sure this is always clicked over for my fees. So right now, if I just click the buy button, it's just going to start right here at the bottom one, which is 142, and just work its way up. So right now you can see the bottom one is 141 coins. But if I put 1,000 coins in there, it would actually take that order. It would just keep going all the way up. And my last order would fill at $1.43. So it would automatically fill the best available price all the way up till it filled. So hopefully that's what the market order. I don't like to use it because the fees are a little bit more, and there's ways of getting around it, how it works. So right now I'm just going to hit buy. Let's just lower this because let's go ahead and just buy 10 at that price, because that's what the price is right now. Hit buy, my order will fill immediately. So there's my order. and you guys can see my order filled. So it's not waiting. It actually took away from that bottom amount. So that was a market order. It fills your order immediately. A lot of times you see these big candles that go straight up. That's somebody that just comes in here and says, I want to buy 1,000 of them. It just kind of spikes up and then comes back down. But that's why some of these candles you can see here are kind of up and down, because they go all the way up the order books to fill their order, and then it comes back down. There's better ways of doing that. But if you need to buy some coins like right away, the market order is the best, because it will fill your order at the best available price.
That is great insight right there, guys. That right there, just learning how to buy and how to sell and how it's on the order book is something that I learned through trial and error a little bit when I first got on the CoinZoom platform. To have a coach like this teaching you, this is so awesome. I hope you guys are taking good notes. This is awesome.
So this is how I buy. So this is how I'm going to go buy. After the call, I'm going to go load up on a few coins, but I come over to buy and I go limit. This is going to basically, I'm going to buy the coins at $1.42, but just because I'm doing a limit order, my fees are much, much cheaper. This is kind of like a trick of like the traders do. They don't. So if I bought with just market price, I'm paying the highest fees available, even though I'm using my 50% discount. But if you just move from market to limit, now what a limit order is, I'm putting an order on the books. I'm actually putting in an order on the books, and somebody is going to sell me their coins that they want to sell. So I'm basically putting orders on the books, and they're giving me a reduced fee for doing that. A market order, I'm just taking stuff off the books. They don't really like to take orders off the books. So I'm a market taker on the market. A limit order, I'm a market maker. I'm putting orders on the books. I'm putting my orders over here. Like I showed you earlier, my 200 tokens at the right here. I was a market maker because I'm putting orders on the market, so you guys can see there. But I'm just going to show you a trick if you need to buy coins fairly fast and save on fees. So what I do is I always come up here and I look at the lowest price right here, and that's the lowest I can buy now. But I want to at least save on fees. So that price is right here. So I go limit. I basically still do the amount. So I'm going to go ahead and do 50 coins. And I'm going to put that exact same price in. I'm going to go 1.4265. So I'm just matching the price that's on the market price, the exact same price. And I'm going to hit buy. So basically I'm doing the same thing as a market order, but I'm doing it on the limit order, and I'm saving a little bit on the fees. Plus they're cutting my fees in half. So, but you got to be, this number changes. So you got to make sure that the number that you put down below matches that. So I change it and I hit buy. Now my order should fill immediately, and I saved a little bit in fees. There you go. You guys can see I purchased 50 Matic at the lowest possible price that would fill now, and I saved fees by doing a limit order instead of a market order. Just another way for you guys to save a little bit of fees and to purchase the coins the cheapest available price at the time. So hopefully
and Todd, I think it's important for showing for the people that are brand new, they need to get some Zoom token to be able to have that Zoom for fees and to be able to trade, right? So you're going to do the very same thing. Do you want to give them just a quick example? Just like you're buying Matic, you can buy Zoom and you can load up your account with some Zoom tokens so that you can get these reduced fees.
Yep, you're exactly right. And let's just see if we can go up here just for some of the new. That's a good question, Jeremy. Let me. I'm going to just go over to the cards, because some of you are new on here. I'm just pulling up the cards, what you need to get discount on fees. So just going to kind of break it down here. This is the bottom coin or card. It's the green. You don't get any benefits. You don't get any discounts or anything. As soon as you sign up for the CoinZoom platform, you get this card. It's free. The next card is the white card. You guys can see now. It's saying trading fee discount up to 50%, but basically we'd have to scroll down and get the details. But basically a black card holder, you get 50%, but it shows you how many coins you need to get this level. Zoom coin required 10,000. So you guys could start out the white card, just go buy 10,000 coins. And then actually that is a miss on there. So basically, yeah, I think that should say 10, because when I go to the gold card, it automatically changes to 20%. So 20% discount if you're a gold card holder, but you need to purchase 25,000 coins. So it goes from 10 to 25,000 coins to be a gold card. And then you get the 20% discount and fees. And you guys can see all the additional benefits for the.
And Todd, that's important to know. 10,000 tokens is $500 today. So if it's a nickel, a token, and you're buying 10,000 of them, that's going to cost you $500. So if you're looking at your portfolio and saying, hey, I want to start my portfolio, guys, you need to earmark some of your portfolio in Zoom tokens so you can take advantage of all these discounts.
Jeremy's so right. When people ask me, I got $2,000, what do I want? What should you buy? One of the first things I say is you need to get some Zoom coins. You need to be part of the platform, because the platform is run by the Zoom coin. The Zoom coin is the utility coin. The more coins you have, the higher benefit you have. And the coin goes up in value. So you're not only getting the value of the coin going up, but you're getting the value of more trading discounts. You're getting, higher card swipes. They go from anywhere from 1% to 5%. There's so many, but that's why it's called a utility coin, because it is the coin drives the platform. And the more people that come to the platform, the more they're going to buy the coin, and you guys can see it going up. But basically the gold level is 25,000, 50,000 for this, the platinum. And then we always talk about the black card. This is the highest level you can get. You get 50% in trading fees. You get 20% bonus in that earn feature that we talked about earlier. You basically get $1,000 a day at the ATM access. You get 5% cash back every time you swipe your card. You get the Zoomy Global. That means you can send $10,000 a day through your Zoomy feature, which is like Venmo. It's only $10,000 a day USD. I can send unlimited crypto. So if I wanted to send Jeremy 2 or 3 Bitcoin, I could. It's not part of my limit. I can only send Jeremy $10,000 a day through Zoomy. That's like our Venmo feature. Incredible feature. The CoinZoom Instant, that's where I talk about, how do I pay for my house payment? They don't accept my card swipes. Well, on the CoinZoom platform, they have a feature that I can move funds from my CoinZoom platform to my bank debit card. And I can earn up to 3% when I do that. So I move it from my CoinZoom platform to my Wells Fargo Visa card, and I get 3% cash back. Now it's in my bank. Now they can take my automatic withdrawal from my bank, and I receive 3%. That's how I pay for everything that doesn't accept my card. We scroll down a little bit farther. You do need 100,000 Zoom coins to have all these wonderful benefits of the black card.
Okay, so let me mention real quick and break this down. 100,000 tokens, 100,000 Zoom is $5,000. So again, if you're looking at, you guys are in the sauna club, you guys have some money. If you're in the sauna club, anyway, if you've got a portfolio of like 25,000, and this is something that's coming on the academy, we're going to break it down. If you have $500, if you have $2,500, you have $25,000, where would you put your money first? If you have 25,000, guys, the first $5,000 to $6,000 that you're going to put into the CoinZoom platform needs to be in Zoom token. And the reason is you want to have a little more than the 100,000 tokens, so you have some to use as fees, and you don't drop down below until you start using this account all the time and earning all these bonus tokens. Once you get earning the bonuses, 5% cash back and all these others, you're not going to need to keep loading up on Zoom. The rewards will take care of itself, and it'll keep you above the 100,000 mark. But you're going to want to buy maybe 110,000, 120,000 tokens, so you have some tokens of Zoom to make as your fees.
Great info, Jeremy. I'm glad you explained it like that. He makes it sound so simple.
This is awesome.
I just went back to the CoinZoom platform. I went to buy order. Right now it's at 5, a little over 5 cents. I put 100,000 coins in. it would cost us roughly around $5,120. Right now, that is a bargain, because just imagine when the coin gets to 50 cents or to $1, that number could be $50,000 or $100,000 to be a black card holder. So right now is a great time to maybe try to see if you can get the black level while the coins are cheap. Man, I think if there's some, I think looks like there's quite a few questions in the chat, Jeremy. Anything that we're missing?
So let me snag a couple of these. I think we're pretty straightforward. A lot of these are, I'm holding ADA. Yes, I got it. Thank you for letting us know, guys. Let me just give a quick shout out to some of these. Janelle's got ADA. Dream Team's got it. Porter Hall's got it. Roy's got it. BB's got it. Stephen Hall's got it. Selma's got it, man. It's all the way down here. Jeannie Spears. How long does it take to get our new card in the mail after you upgrade? What is that, Todd?
It should take like 3 to 4 days. I think if it hasn't arrived, I would probably send them a ticket to customer service if it hasn't arrived. But when I upgraded my card, or even my new card, it only took me 3 to 5 days. So, man, lots of information today. If you guys have any other questions or comments, this is why we do this show, is to help you guys understand how the platform works, because it looks really busy. When you look at it, you're like, man, look at all those numbers. I'm not for sure what to do. But basically, incredible platform. It's going to even get better as we move forward. But today I was able to buy Poly. I showed you how to do that. You guys can do the exact same thing, on Zoom Coin. But yeah, incredible platform. Let me Jeremy, where are you looking at most of the, you on the Zoom or Facebook looking?
Yeah, so very limited coming in. I think we need to find a better way on the Facebook side. When I'm posting the YouTube, I realize, guys, there's a little challenge there. It's a lag to getting comments in. So the Zoom platform here for this particular show is great to be able to have your questions answered. When you're on the AMA next week, right here, be live on Zoom. We're going to be interactive on Zoom. We obviously are going to be putting it over on our Facebook group at Beyond Members. You're welcome to come and join us there. We will record it and put it on YouTube. But if you want to join us live for the AMA, we'll be getting an announcement out on the Telegram group and in other places to come and join us next week for that. So yeah, Todd, I think we've, I'm just looking here. I haven't gotten mine. Yes. Just go to support, Jeannie, at the top. See right there, support on the CoinZoom platform in the top right corner. That's where you would go to submit a ticket or ask a question to support. So anyway, I think other than that, Todd, we've covered a lot of ground here today.
Jeremy, didn't you buy some Zoom coins a couple days ago or yesterday?
I did. I am buying anytime it dips below 5 cents. I followed your advice on that one. And I think Jeff Graham also has been doing that, and others. Guys, when you see it dip below 5, it's a good buy. I mean, even above 5 right now today, it's a great buy because it's right above 5. But again, anytime it dips below or I see a little dip in that, I'm loading the back up on Zoom token for sure.
You guys can see my order just a few days ago. I purchased 794,000 at 4,488. So a little under 5 cents. So I'm continue buying. And you guys can see my order right there. 794,000. It was my order. I'm going to continue buying as well. To me, it's one of those diamonds in the rough that nobody knows about, but within the next few months, everybody's going to know about CoinZoom, and it will go up. No financial advice, but in my opinion, it's going to go up. Too many exciting things coming out, and you guys are all going to be like I was at Cardano. They're going to say, what did you buy Zoom Coin at? Well, you bought some at 5 cents, like I bought Cardano at between 2 and 3.5 cents a few years ago. So that's what we want right now. That coin is ranked, what did we say, 5,100 at 11,000 coins. It should be a top, in the top 500 coins. So it will be there. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the show today. Jeremy, do you have any final words you want to share?
Hey, my final word is exactly what Todd just said. Some of you are probably scratching your head wondering, I just said buy about 110,000 Zoom token, because that's just for the utility. The reason Todd's got 794,000 of them is because he believes this is a great holding token. And I do too. I have been holding Zoom token, and I plan to accumulate many, many more while it is at the price it is. when you hear these stories of people becoming millionaires of Cardano, it's because they bought low and they sell high. Any of you that have done real estate or business transactions or any of that, you know, the secret is in the buy. And right now, if you can buy it and you can get your hands on it and it's on the books, get Zoom token. No financial advice, like we've been saying, entertainment purposes only, but I feel I have built a nice sized bag, Todd, for my family's financial future of Zoom token, because I believe, as you do, that's why we're creating the academy. That's why we're creating all of these great resources for all of you guys. Is get a hold of some Zoom token. Make sure it's a chunk of your portfolio. I think you'll be pleased in the future as this continues to develop.
Jeremy, I got one last question for you.
What's that?
I want to see a sneak peek of that little video that you have.
Right on. Do we want to see this CoinZoom? Okay, let's see what I can do here. I gotta find it here. Give me a second. I'm gonna track it down.
Actually, I got the word of the day. I guess let me pull that up. I can go ahead and go over that. Jeremy, you sent that to me. So
cool. Yeah. If you grab the word of the day, I'll grab the video. How's that?
Great. The word of the day is well. W-E-L-L. Well, like well beyond. So that is the word of the day. Man, if you guys like the show today, man, make sure you put thumbs up. Any additional questions or what you want us to go over. This platform does so many things. So unless you tell us what you really want me to go over and show you live demos, I don't know unless you tell me. So, but I'm here. I'll do this. I do this on a Tuesday, Trading Tuesday, and then me and Jeremy do this on Thursday. We've moved our Friday call because it was Friday nights. Now it is Saturday night, but I think we had over almost 80 people from the Japan market. So I do this again with an incredible translator on Saturday night. Same, let me see what time that is. I think it's at 7, but so that's Saturday night, Utah time, 7 p.m. Incredible translator. I go over the news. We talk about the market, but it's just another day to get information about the websites. And you guys can see how the CoinZoom platform is growing across the world. I think right now we're in 179 countries with the CoinZoom platform. So it is growing like crazy, the platform. So you got that video,
right.
Jeremy?
2 short videos. You ready? I'm going to pull up my desktop. Can you see my desktop here?
Yeah, I can see it. Yep.
Okay, the first one is a draft. It's still in draft mode, but we're finalizing the details. Guys, take a look at this video as an intro for the CoinZoom Academy. That's teaser video number 1. I don't know if we can even beat that, but that was kind of cool. And then we have some videos at the beginning of each of our video clips that we're going to be sharing. I'm going to show you this one, but I got to explain it a little bit, and Todd will make mention of this. Guys, you probably noticed all the decimals at the beginning of these trades that Todd was doing. There's a reason for that. We'll teach you about it in the academy, but check out this little video as well.
Wow, that one's awesome.
Get certified, get some real results. Coming soon, CoinZoom Academy. You guys are going to love it. We're excited to share it.
Well, thanks, Jeremy, for sharing that. I hope you guys like that. You guys can see we're putting an incredible platform together for you guys to, don't have to wait just to get on these shows, but we're going to have the information, 24/7 where you guys can get this information all the time. So, man, with that being said, I think we've been over an hour. Incredible show today. Todd Crossland coming up. I think I'll let you finish it out. Any final thoughts today, Jeremy?
Well, Todd, thank you so much. Guys, it's so great to be on with all of you live from up here at the RV park in Wilsonville, Oregon. It is great to be on with you. And Todd, I love your backdrop, man. I can't wait to get me some of those pillows. I have pillow envy right now. I'm digging those.
There we go.
Anyway, hey guys, look, we want your videos. Use your Zoom card. Tell us how your experience is going. I don't know what your color of your card is, but this is my card. And you can see it is beaten and worn. I mean, I use this all the time. So I'm going to be shooting my video of filling up with gas from the different places as we head back tomorrow, back to Utah. And we'll be doing a little chronological journey because this card is getting used, and every single time it gets used, I get 5% cash back. So we want to see your videos. We want to hear your experiences. Be sure to put them on our Beyond Members Facebook group. If you shoot a video, come over to the Beyond Members group, become a member of it, drop your video in there. We'll have some other areas where you can do it. You can always send it to Todd and I as well. If you know us, go ahead and drop a line to us. Let us know. We're excited to get your feedback and see what you guys need in this academy as it's developing. So again, thank you so much. Word of the day today. Well, you heard that. Word of the day today. Well, come and join Jeff Graham tomorrow morning for Free Day Friday. He's going to be giving away some Zoom token. And next week, AMA with Todd Crossland. It's going to be awesome. So Todd Humphreys, thank you, my friend. You, as always,
Back at you. We'll see you later.
Awesome, guys.